Does anybody else open their mail this way? Or is it just me? Am I weird? Alright. So let's see what they got for me. Uh, Hopefully this is the deletions and exactly what they took off of that credit report. And here we go. Yep. So here are the results. If it's deleted, it says deleted. Dispute not specific, verified and updated. All the way down. Basically the different things that they're going to say about the different accounts. So here they are. I'm excited about this. All of these were deleted in one swoop. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different deletions right here. And all I did was send out the first letter. So
here you go. Here's right here all the creditors. These are the account numbers that are blacked out for privacy purposes, and here are the results. Let's take a look at this. Deleted, 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 deleted. 12 out of 14 items deleted. This new information right here, these are 2 items that didn't come off, but that's okay because in round 2 we attack it again and we're going to get those 2 items off. But on the very first letter, using the clean credit letter sent to TransUnion, 12 out of 14 items were deleted. How many times have you sent letters to the bureaus only to have them say verified? It's so frustrating. And these are not little accounts. This is Citibank, Bank of America, big credit cards, collection accounts, Capital One, and they're not old accounts within the last year, some of these. So I'm going to knowing, having this knowledge, having this information, you always will have the power to clean your credit no matter what happens. You will have the knowledge to know how to clean your credit and keep it at the maximum score to truly live the life that you want and deserve. Okay, so how much would this information cost? Well, I'll tell you, if you go out there on the internet, there are people selling this same information for several $100s or several $1,000s. And there are companies that use this same information that will charge you hundreds and thousands of dollars to clean your credit for you. And you don't have to pay those people. You can do it yourself if you have the information. And I'm going to provide you the instructions on exactly what to do. And I'm going to provide you the exact letter that we used with the proof that you just saw. And I'm going to provide all of this to you today for only $97. That's it, complete. You get the instructions, you get the exact letter that we used. You can use this letter as many times as you like to clean all 3 bureaus, and you can do it yourself. That's the best part. You don't have to rely on anyone else. And to order now, just click on the link below. It'll take you to a checkout. You check out, it's going to redirect you to a website where you can download the instructions in the letter instantly. You are seconds away from getting this information and changing your life. You can have your letters typed up today and mailed out to the bureaus in as little as 20 to 30 days. You can start seeing results, and you're on your way to having a clean credit profile that you did yourself and an entirely new world with having excellent credit. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and click on the link now. I wish you all the best of success and good luck.